Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on Gmail chat and how to approve message requests on your PC. If you're looking to streamline your communication, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the steps you need to follow. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox and various other features at the top right. Next, locate the grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. This is Google's app launcher, and it's your gateway to various services. Go ahead and click on those 9 dots. A menu will pop up, showcasing several options. From this menu, choose Chats. This will take you directly to the chat interface where you can see all your ongoing conversations and any new message requests. It's a simple step, but it's essential for moving forward. Now, you'll want to open the chat where you've received a message request. This will typically be highlighted or marked to grab your attention. Once you're in the chat, you'll see the message request waiting for your approval. Finally, to approve the message request, look for the Accept button. Clicking this will allow you to view the message and continue the conversation seamlessly. It's a quick process that keeps your chats organized and efficient, and that's it. You've successfully approved a message request on Gmail chat. With these simple steps, you can stay connected without any hassle. Remember, keeping your communication channels open is the ultimate way to enhance productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.